Welcome to Psyched for You, where we explore the fascinating ways psychology can enrich your life. Today, we're diving into a concept that's as vast as the universe itself, the overview effect. This isn't just a phenomenon reserved for astronauts. It's something that can inspire profound change in our daily lives right here on Earth. So, how does viewing our planet from space spark such a transformative shift in perspective? And how can you experience it too? Let's find out. Imagine this. You're floating in space, looking down at Earth, and suddenly it hits you, a profound sense of awe. You see our planet as a single unified ecosystem with no borders, just a fragile, beautiful blue marble suspended in the vastness of space. This is the overview effect, a perspective shift that many astronauts describe as life-changing. It fills them with an overwhelming sense of wonder and a deep appreciation for our interconnected world. But here's the exciting part. You don't need to be an astronaut to feel this way. Right here on Earth, you can tap into similar emotions by immersing yourself in nature, whether it's hiking up a mountain, staring at the night sky, or exploring virtual reality. These experiences can trigger that same sense of awe and connection. The overview effect often leads to self-transcendence, a state where you feel connected to something greater than yourself. In 2020, a study found that astronauts returned with more humanistic qualities, often becoming more involved in environmental causes. This isn't just good for the planet, it's good for you too. Self-transcendence can reduce feelings of depression and loneliness by shifting your focus from your own needs to those of others, fostering empathy and compassion. But it doesn't stop there. Self-transcendence can also boost your mental resilience. By focusing on positive coping strategies and finding meaning in challenges, you can navigate life's difficulties with greater strength. Consider asking yourself these reflective questions. How can I contribute positively to my current situation? What can I learn from this experience? By doing so, you're not just surviving, you're thriving. Now, let's talk about awe. The overview effect is a powerful awe-inducing experience. When you feel awe, it's like a wow moment. Your jaw drops, your eyes widen, and suddenly you're inspired. Research shows that awe can spark creativity, enhance your well-being, and even improve your physical health. Whether it's through nature, art, or even psychedelics, experiencing awe reduces self-centeredness and boosts your sense of purpose. Feeling awe doesn't just benefit you, it also strengthens your social relationships. It can make you more generous, lower your sense of entitlement, and improve your ethical decision-making. Imagine being so moved by a sunset or a piece of music that you become a better friend, partner, or community member. Even though most of us will never travel to space, the good news is you don't have to. The essence of the overview effect can be captured here on Earth. By opening yourself up to the wonders around you, you can create a more meaningful life filled with awe, connection, and purpose. So, the next time you feel overwhelmed by life's challenges, remember this. You don't need to go to space to experience a shift in perspective. Whether it's through a breathtaking view, a quiet moment in nature, or even just a deep breath, you can find your own overview effect and let it guide you towards a life of greater meaning and well-being. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. And as always, stay curious, stay inspired, and keep exploring the wonders of your mind and the world around you.